In today's effort to get rid of the mystery sound of dying bearings at the front of this 2011 Jeep Wrangler, we are going to replace the idler pulley. Before you take the belt off, make sure you take a picture or make a drawing of your belt layout so that you know how it goes when you want to put it back on. To take the belt off, just take a 3/8 inch ratchet or maybe an extension on your ratchet, put in the center square of the belt tensioner, which is right underneath the power steering pulley, and turn it clockwise. That'll release the tension on the belt and you can pull the belt right off. With the belt off, just need a 13mm socket to pull the bolt out of the idler pulley. Here they are side by side, old pulley, new pulley. Let's go put in the new pulley. It's as simple as putting the new pulley up against the engine, run the bolt in, torque it to 30 foot-pounds. And now we'll use our belt routing map to get the belt back installed. And now we'll start it up and see if that noise is still there. Well, replacing the idler pulley didn't change the noise up front either. There's still something causing noise that I've got to figure out, but that's a video on how to replace the idler pulley. Super easy. One bolt out, one bolt in, 30 foot-pounds torque. Get the belt on and off. That's all there is to it. Hope the video is helpful. I know it's a quick one. It's a quick task. You got this. No problems. Till the next video, have a good one.